At the heart of what we do at MES is focus on improving the environmental footprint for our customers. None of our customers are in the business of treating wastewater. They make airplanes, automobiles, food products, and many other consumer products. What we do is develop systems to enable them to safely and efficiently treat wastewater used in their manufacturing processes. The value we bring to our customers is to ensure they maintain legal compliance in the easiest manner possible when using water in their processes. That allows them to focus on their core business of making and selling their products and services. One of our outstanding attributes is our deep knowledge of specialty chemicals and materials used in production processes. This enables us to design optimum systems for water treatment for each customer application. Our extensive laboratory services and engineering know-how ensure we design, build, and install exactly what's needed. Our global manufacturing centers and service network ensure we can support customers in every geographic region. Our Performance Guarantee Program is another unique asset for our customers. It's a long-term bond between us as the manufacturer and our customer as the system user. Each system is designed around a set of known operating and performance requirements, and our Performance Guarantee Program provides customers an assurance that the system will perform to the design specifications. MES has been manufacturing wastewater treatment equipment for over 30 years, and as environmental regulators have become more strict, MES has made it a priority to be at the forefront in developing new solutions to help our customers react to these new requirements. No company in our market takes bigger steps to ensure our customers leave a smaller environmental footprint.